Hi, I'm Tony from Thailand.
Hey there, I'm Robert from the USA.
Hello, my name is Noman and I'm an engineer from Pakistan.
Soy Carlos Arroyo, director de NSI de México.
We are a local precast concrete component manufacturer in Thailand. We met GME as a supplier at the concrete exhibition in 2019. We have been purchasing their Shuttering Magnet from work magnets and other products. Their products have guaranteed quality and long service life, and they have their own R&D team. I will continue to place orders and recommend them to anyone in need.
Hey there, I'm Robert from the USA. You know, we've collaborated with a bunch of brands over the years, but honestly, GME, they stand out by a mile. First, we got their formwork magnetic, and it was pretty solid. And then we figured, why not lean on them for sourcing parts in China too, right? And let me tell you, not once did we second guess that decision. They're super reliable. Before anything ships out, they hit us up with all the product details, making sure everything arrives pronto. So for us, it's all about integrity and quality, and GME, they get that.
Hello, my name is Noman and I'm an engineer from Pakistan. Lift anchors and lift clutches are used at our factory on a regular basis to lift precast concrete wall panels. The quality and the price of the lifting equipment is really important to us. GME customizes the lifting anchors of different lengths according to our requirements and equips them with the correct lift clutch. They also provide us with a complete product report before sending it to us, and they also show us the pictures of the packaging process so we know that the product is going to reach us safely. GME is a really trustworthy brand.
Soy Carlos Arroyo, director de NSI de México. Elegimos las barras magnéticas GME no solo por algunas colaboraciones simples de productos, sino también como proveedores de productos profesionales a largo plazo. A través de la cooperación GME en calidad del producto, duración, costo y otros aspectos del control efectivo, nos dejaron una impresión profesional, rentable y buena.